Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. For today's video, I am going to teach you on how you can apply for a job at Target online. So, without further ado, let's begin. First, open your web browser and go to corporate.target.com/careers. Once you're here, there would be a search node right here just below you, in which you can type in the job title, the skill, or a keyword of the job that you want to apply to. Let's say I'm gonna type in here process engineer. And then on the search node beside it, you can type in the city or the zip code of that city where you want to look for available jobs of this description. For this video, however, I won't type any zip code as if I'm open to all locations available for this job. So once you fill that up, click on Search Jobs. Next, you will see this on your screen. On the left panel, you would see all the filters available for you to sift through all the choices right here. So you have city or zip code where you can type in zip code or an area where you would find within 5 miles, 15 miles, and so on. Another filter would be the country where you want to find a job, a state. As you can see here, we have Alaska, Arizona, California, Colorado, and much more. We also have remote eligible, a job category if it's corporate, store, or a supply chain, the job area, a job type, the schedule, the pay type, or even the company. And once you choose all the options right here to choose the specific job that you wish, click one of this or click one of the options that would appear, then click on Learn More. On the next screen, you will see the details of the job that you chose, such as the job ID, the pay range, information about the company, and even information about you or what are the qualifications for you to apply for this job. Once you check it and it checks all your boxes, click on Apply. After that, Target would redirect you to another tab. So to start your application, you can either autofill with your resume or you can apply manually. And you also have an option to use your last application. For this video, however, I'm going to choose Apply Manually. To do this, you need to first create an account and then give details regarding your information, your experiences, your application, followed by answering application questions and voluntary disclosures. And after reviewing all of that, you can now apply for that job. And that's it. So, if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to click like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful video tutorials. See you in the next video. Bye!